Hello students, I am Pragati Patil from Gadinglas. In this lecture, we will study about fungi. Fungi includes the contents, general characteristics, ecology and significance, range of thallus organization, nutrition, reproduction and classification. In this lecture, we will study about general characteristics of fungi. Introduction. Fungi. The word fungi comes from Greek. Fungus means mushroom. Okay, fungi are chlorophyll-less thallophytic plants. Thallophytic means the plant body is not differentiated into shoot, root, stem. Due to the absence of chlorophyll, they are heterotrophs, that is, they depend on others for food. They grow in various habitats and show much diversity in their structure, physiology, and reproduction. Information from ancient literature indicates that the fungi were used as food by human beings. At present, the fungi are used in medicine and also as food in addition to other aspects. The fungi cause diseases of crops like spots, rust and smut, etc. and on human beings also. The subject which deals with the fungi or the study of fungi is called as mycology. Occurrence of fungi. The fungi are cosmopolitan in distribution and occur in all possible habitats. Due to absence of chlorophyll, they depend on other for food. That is why they may be saprophytes, parasites or symbionts. These I will explain in characteristics of fungi. Most of the fungi are terrestrial, which grow in soil on dead and decaying organic material. Some grow on both plants and animals. They can grow on foods like jam, bread, fruits, etc. You may be seen in your home after keeping long time in jams and also in breads, the fungus growth may be occurs. Some members are also found in water, aquatic fungi. They are also present in the air. Thus, the fungi are universal in distribution. Characteristics of fungi. First one, fungi are chlorophyll-less or achlorophyllous, non-vascular plants. Means they lack in chlorophyll and also lack vascular system. Second point, fungi are cosmopolitan in distribution, that is, they can grow in any place where life is possible. Next point, nutrition in fungi. Nutrition are of three types: saprophytes, parasite and symbionts. In saprophytes, fungi get energy from dead and decayed matters. These fungi grow on dead and decaying matter and they get nutrition from that matters only. Another one is parasites. Parasites means the fungi lives in a host and attack and kill. These fungi gets nutrition from the host plant only. Next, symbiont. Symbiont means here fungi get mutually beneficial. Fungi get symbiotically associated with the another plant and they depends on that plant only for the nutrition. This type of association is called symbiont, mutually beneficial. Next point, the plant body may be unicellular or filamentous. The filament is known as hypha. Hyphae can grow and form a network called mycelium. Next point, the hypha may be aseptate or septate. Aseptate, that is cenocytic, without septa and containing many nuclei. The septate mycelium in its cell may contain only one or two or more nuclei. Here, a septate hyphae, aseptate or cenocytic hyphae. In septate hyphae, in between these two nuclei, the cross wall is present. This wall is called septa or septum. Presence of these septa, because these fungi are called septate hyphae. In this type, any cross wall is not present. Septa is not present in between two nuclei. Therefore, these are called aseptate hyphae. The cells are surrounded by distinct cell wall composed of fungal cellulose, that is chitin. The fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. But in some lower fungi, the cell wall is composed of cellulose or glucan. Next point, the cells generally contain colorless protoplasm due to the absence of chlorophyll and contain cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, vesicle, microbodies, etc. Next point, depending on species and condition, both sexual and asexual spores may be produced. They are typically non-motile. These fungi are non-motile. Next point, fungi exhibit the phenomenon of alteration of generation. They have both haploid and diploid stage. In response to functional need, the fungal mycelia are modified into different types such as plectenchyma, stroma, rhizomorph, sclerotium, hyphal trap, apressorium and hostorium. These are the modifications of mycelia or hyphae. In the adverse condition, to survive, these modifications are made. Next point, the unicellular fungi, where entire plant body becomes converted into reproductive unit, are called as holocarpic fungi. However, in many others, only a part of mycelial plant body is converted into reproductive unit. Thus, they are called eucarpic fungi. Next point, they reproduce by three means: vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, budding and fusion. Next point, asexual reproduction takes place by formation of spores like zoospores, conidiospores, sporangiospores, etc. Means these are the sporangiospores, conidiospores, zoospores are the bodies within these spores are produced and they act as a spores in asexual reproduction. And next one is sexual reproduction takes place by fusion of gametes. In sexual reproduction, 5 types are present. In detail, we will study in reproduction of fungi. These all about the general characteristics of fungi. Thank you. Next part we will see in next class. Thank you.